Well, look at that. The prominent AI research team, Mistral AI, just released their new research paper on Mixtral of experts, a detailed and informative report talking more about their new model. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Mixtral 8x7b so interesting? Well, this is a new model that explores a new architecture paradigm, a mixture of experts approach that contrasts the approach of following LLMs like ChatGPT or Llama. Now, this approach is not new, but it hasn't actually been proven in the LM space at scale yet. However, this is a research paper that shows how Mixtral 8x7b can compare well against larger models on various benchmarks, and this is something that we actually have previewed on this channel before on different types of videos on Mistral, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. I definitely recommend that you watch these previous videos, as it will basically showcase this model, as this is the best open source model that is actually out there. Now, the MOE approach is a machine learning technique that combines the strengths of multiple experts models to solve any sort of problem or generate anything that you would want it to generate. Now, in contrast to assemble techniques, you can realize that this is something that combines results from all models, whereas in MOE, it only takes one or two experts to basically use to have it so that it can make the predictions or the generation that you want it to have it make. Now, this is a research paper that goes a little bit more on how the model functions, and it's something that we're going to take a look at throughout today's video. So stay tuned and let's get straight into it. If you would like to access our private Discord where you can access subscriptions to AI tools for free, you have consulting, you have investment opportunities, collaboration, and so much more, definitely take a look at this link in the description below. If you would like to book a one-on-one with me where you can access my consulting services, where I can help you grow your business or basically give you a lot of different types of solutions with AI, definitely take a look at the calendar link in the description below. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of AI. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about this research paper. Now, as we all know, Mixtral is a new model that Mistral AI recently released last month, and it's called Mixture of Experts. In this case, it's a new layered technique that basically functions as an input that is assigned to 2 to 8 experts. It works as experts in generating various types of outputs. Now, this is something where it is using this approach that can outperform models like Llama 2, 70 billion in math, code generation, multilingual tasks, and so much more. It rivals up against ChatGPT 3.5 model, which is outstanding to see something like this with such a small parameter size do really good against these models. Now, if you take a look at Mistral's new Instruct chat model, it actually excels pretty well against Claude 2.1, Gemini Pro, as well as GPT 3.5 Turbo in various benchmarks, whether that's human evaluation benchmarks or whether that's related to biases on terms of tests that test the BBQ or the bold benchmarks. Both of these models can show that they're released under this new approach and this new license, which is free for any sort of academic or commercial use. And it just goes to show that the release of open source projects like this can definitely revolutionize the way we use large language models. Now, as you see from this figure over here, it showcases how this is a model based off of transformers, and it introduces this modification called Mixture of Experts, where it has multiple different layers. In this architecture, it has various different types of parameters, and we can see that over here, which is showcasing the model's architecture. It focuses on the DIM. You have different layers. We can see in this case it has 32 layers, and each attention head has a dimension of 128, and it just goes on focusing a little bit more on various other aspects. Now, we also see that it's also a sparse mixture of experts. This is where it incorporates different types of layers into this architecture, and it combines the outputs from different expert networks based on the weights that are determined by the gating network output. Now, in simple terms, this is basically just meaning that it uses special layers called Mixture of Experts, and this is to process information with different perspectives. It's making it more efficient and powerful in every single task, in my opinion. It's a model that is going to be designed to handle large amounts of context, and we are able to see this as it can compare against Llama's 70 billion chat model on various other benchmarks like math, coding, and so much more. It has shown to outperform these models in various contexts with larger amounts of data being inputted into them. Now, let's actually take a look at the results, and this is where they compare Mixtral to Llama and rerun all the benchmarks with their own evaluation pipeline. And this is for fair comparison, and we can see that it tests on various different types of tasks. It focuses on common sense reasoning, it focuses on world knowledge, reading comprehension, you have math, code, as well as popular aggregated results. Now, if we go down over here, we can see from this actual graph, this bar chart, which is showcasing the performance of Mixtral and different Llama models on wide ranges of benchmarks. Now, it states that all models were reevaluated on all metrics with their own pipeline, and this is for more of an accurate and fair comparison, so it leaves out the biases. Now, it shows that Mixtral outperforms or even matches Llama 2's 70 billion chat model on benchmarks, on all benchmarks, sorry. Now, in particularly, it is vastly superior in mathematics and code generation, which is really surprising to see. Now, if we see this, we can see that Mixtral's new 8x7b model is the yellow one over here, and it's able to outperform or even be on par with Llama 2's 70 billion chat model. This is absolutely insane to me, and this is something that we'll definitely take a look at as we go further down into the results. Now, let's take a look at table 2, which is showcasing the comparison of Mixtral with Llama. Now, this is something that is showcasing the superior performance while using 5 times fewer active parameters during the inference, and we can see that it does really well almost in every category in comparison to all of Llama's models. Now, in figure 3, if we go down a little bit, we can see that Mistral's prowess in tasks like common sense reasoning, world knowledge, code, math is quite evident through these graphs over here. It's outperforming Llama 2's 70 billion parameter model, and it's utilizing significantly fewer active parameters. Now, despite potential differences in memory cost as well as hardware utilization, you can see that mixture of experts model is something that proves to be more efficient, even surpassing Llama 2's 70 billion parameter model with a 5-time reduction in active parameters. This is one thing that we haven't taken a look at before, and this is the long range performance. This is where they're evaluating Mixtral's ability to handle long context scenarios. This is where they conducted tests on passkey retrieval tasks, and it's designed to basically measure the model's proficiency in retrieving a passkey inserted randomly within their extended prompt. This resulted something that we can see in this figure over here on the left side, which showcases Mistral's remarkable 100% retrieval accuracy, regardless of the length of the input sequence or the position of the passkey within it. Now, if we take a look at this chart over here on the right side, it's illustrating the performance of the proof pile dataset. This is where its perplexity consistently decreases over and over as there is more context length, and it goes to show that these are something that highlights Mistral's effectiveness in dealing with extended contexts, and it shows that both a precise passkey retrieval and an improved comprehension as a long text can basically go a long way in improving the proficiency as to how the model can generate various types of text. Now, this is something that we haven't actually also taken a look at, and that's instruction fine-tuning. This is the process of training Mixtral's Instruct model. They utilized the supervised fine-tuning method as an instruction dataset, and they followed a direct preference optimization on a paired feedback dataset. This resulted in this new Mixtral Instruct model achieving an impressive score of 8.30 on the MT bench, which is something that you can see over here. It does quite well, and you can see that it's close enough to GPT-4, which is quite impressive. Now, that's basically it for this research paper, but they go a little bit more in depth, so I definitely recommend that you read through this because there's a lot more info that you will get out of this. But this is something that achieves the state-of-the-art performance amongst all open source models, and we can see that this is something that demonstrates superior performance in various benchmarks like human evaluation, coding, mathematics, common sense, reading comprehension, and so much more. This is something that I actually use on a day-to-day basis, and I definitely see this being something that many people will keep on using as they evolve this even further. Open source is the big thing of this year, and I definitely see it becoming something that can even surpass GPT-4 this year. So I hope you enjoyed this video on Mixtral's research paper. I will leave all the links in the description below. Make sure you check out our Patreon page if you want to access our private Discord, where you can get exclusive features such as subscriptions to AI tools and so much more. Make sure you follow us on Twitter if you guys haven't already, so you can stay up to date with the latest AI trends and AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe to our notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. So with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.